Ray Wolfenbarger was a police officer for the city of South Bend. In the latter part of December, just a few days before Christmas, he was doing a routine traffic stop, pulled a car over, and the driver opened fire at close range.
All the units clear to make Linda Kenmore 1078 officer shot.
He sustained 4 or 5 gunshot wounds in his abdomen and 1 in his shoulder. It really wasn't clear he was going to make it. He did make it, but there was then concern about whether or not he was ever going to be able to walk again.
My role in being a workers' compensation adjuster is I am the first line insurance representative, and I'm frequently the first person to work with that injured employee once they get injured. Midwest Employers is the only company that I've had that sent out their claim analyst right away to meet the family and assess their needs, and provided immediate attention to the needs of that family.
With Midwest, the focus is on giving the injured worker the treatment and the services that he needs to maximize his recovery, to try to restore him or her to their prior pre-injury level, and they will expend the dollars that are needed to do that, and that's different.
Ray Wolfenbarger eventually returned to work as a detective with the city of South Bend.
Like now, since this has happened, I became a lot closer to my daughter, and I spend a lot more time with my daughter. We bonded a lot more. You know, every day it goes through my mind that there's a possibility I wouldn't have seen something, or wouldn't have been with Amy or Bailey, or been able to do things that I am doing now.